I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy ShawnBNice, back again with some more Heat Rock, and today I'm doing an unboxing and a sound test of the Oynx Studio 4 speaker that is made by Harman Kardon. Now, for those who don't know, Samsung actually, I think owns like a huge share of them as well, or is it AKG? I think they all like kind of like the same, AKG and them, whatever. But the reason I'm bringing this to y'all, man, because the speaker is actually on sale for like around $135, and if you were Sprint, you can actually get both of them for like $300 or whatever. I think the cheapest I've seen is like $135, but Sprint, if you buy one speaker, you get for like $150 or whatever, because the original price is like, as they say, $400, which I was not gonna pay that price for this speaker anyway. But the reason I'm saying that is because you actually, depending on how good your credit is with Sprint, you can actually get it for like around $13 a month. You can get one speaker for around $13 a month. If you want both, you can get them for like $26 a month, and you'll be done paying it off in a year. So I'm only showing y'all this because I don't know how long the sale is. I think the sale is probably for like maybe a few more days, but I'm just trying to see if it's worth it. So I'm gonna let y'all know if this is actually worth the price of admission, and you know what I'm saying, see how good the sound quality is. We got a Jurassic Park test coming up. I'm gonna show you what that is in a minute. And but y'all know when we got the hood unboxing life on deck, y'all know it's time to unbox. But let's check it out first. You got 8 hours of playtime. It is Bluetooth, HK Connect Plus. From what I've read online, you can connect like 100 of these. I mean, making sure if you got like an office bill, something like that, if you got like 100 of these all split up, you can play all the same song, then that'd be dope. But we're gonna see how loud this thing can really get. Speakerphone with noise and echo cancellation. So far, man, I'm interested. So let's go ahead and get this thing off real quick. Let's see if the hood unboxing knife gonna come through for the one, you know what I'm saying, one time for the one time. Up, always, never disappoint. Also, I got this because my lady been wanting a speaker for the room, you know what I'm saying? Like when we get through taking our medicine and whatnot, we usually like to kind of like mellow out with some good tunes and, you know what I'm saying, have something sound good. Now I do know y'all like, well, you got to Google Home for that, but Google Home ain't gonna have that same feel as this joint right here. Power brick, obviously. Let's take this out of the box. Oh, that's nice good old paper cut. Actually hurt like hell. Let's see what else is in here. Anything else? I don't think so. Double check. Nope. All right. So that's it for that. You already know what we do with this, man. We don't use this. Shit we don't read. We may keep it though. You never know. It's been a while since I had like an actual portable speaker. Right? Hood unboxing knife gotta come through. Oh nah, they gotta open it for you, boy. As soon as it get out the bag. All right. So as far as design wise, I like it. It feels nice and premium. And the good thing about this is it is a portable speaker, so it is light. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually, because usually like, for example, like with lights, if you have portable lights that have like batteries, once you plug it up, it'll get brighter. So I'm gonna see if there's a sound difference between plugging it up, like, you know, having a AC adapter versus just using the lithium ion battery. See if this thing got any power. So far I'm feeling the build though. Like it feels like really good. Okay, these are touch, so you can push these in. Power, okay. It got some juice. HK Oynx Studio 4. I think the pair system gonna be like very, very simple. Again, Happy New Year, y'all. My plan is to get this video up before the new year actually start. We got that all set up. The pairing was very, very, very simple. Gonna play some music. Let me see what I got in here for y'all.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA.
Okay, so far it sounded good, and that wasn't even like max volume. So I don't know if there's like okay. So you actually control the volume with your phone. As you guys can see, I'm hitting the button and the volume is being controlled through there. So we're gonna start off low and then we're gonna go up, okay? Actually, we're gonna play my boy Big Mensa, Chicago Stand Up. Now here's a Jurassic Park test. If we can get the water to vibrate, we probably can't, but we're gonna see. If we get the water to vibrate, then, you know what I'm saying, like that, if y'all remember Jurassic Park, I know what I'm talking about. All right, so we're gonna do it. I don't want to get copyright, so I got to keep pausing it. All right, so here we go.
I am the first son of Betsy and Edward Mensa. Made love in my window, drug deals out by the Citgo. But mama always made sure the truth very firm.
Okay, I'm gonna be real with y'all. So far, it is a portable speaker, but am I like blown away? Nah, not really. And that was the purpose of this video, is kind of let y'all know, man, if this speaker is really worth it. I mean, I guess if you are outside, it's really good for that. Like, would I replace this with like a house speaker? Probably not. But let's go to an equalizer. Maybe we can adjust it and get like heavier bass. I am not impressed, unfortunately. So let's go ahead and change up the...
No, my pops was always working. He put the family first. Chicago Saturdays in the park and Sundays in church. Kept me from off the corner with stones and GDs was roaring and king.
Yeah, okay. So, am I impressed? No, I am not. I'm sorry to say, y'all. It's okay. It is okay if you in your bedroom, maybe, you know what I'm saying, maybe if we had more of these or something like that, it will probably be like, you know, some heat rock. But can I classify this as like certified heat rock? I cannot. I'm sorry. I can't do it. Maybe we have more speakers. Matter of fact, let's try plugging it up. We didn't try plugging it up. Let's try plugging it up and we'll go from there. So give me 1 second. Okay, y'all. So not only do I have it plugged up, I was actually able to find an aux cable. We're going to pick a different song, some a little bit more bass heavy, and we're going to try this again. Because so far, I'm not blown away. And, you know, I mean, again, the speaker's only like $100-something. I'm happy that I never got the speaker and paid that $400 that they was trying to get me to get the first time. So yeah, let's try something a little bit for these new generation cats who be, you know what I'm saying, who rock with the new people like Lil Yachty or whatever. Let's try something like that. Let's try. It's plugged in, and maybe we're gonna make sure we got sound upscaler on, which I'm pretty sure I do. Okay, the UHQ upscaler is on. Let's play a different song and see what happens. Let's see if the Jurassic Park test is gonna work. Now the volume is maxed out. Let's go ahead and push this back.
Lean my real papa. Put the best bottles on pills. I'm on that joint. Red and yellow. Rest in peace, pimp. Seal. You ain't about the action. You ain't no gangster. You ain't never been in the field. I don't know your name cause I fuck new bitches every day. I don't remember your face. Identify yourself.
Yeah, I'm not.
I can't put that bitch cause I got a rubber on.
Okay, I'm like really like 10 seconds away from taking this thing back. Like for real. I'm gonna try to turn and make sure the volume is up all the way.
All this work ain't shit for the low. Hell no, nigga ain't giving no deal. Shoot your weed, man.
Okay.
Dope ain't smoke. Play with my drink.
There we go.
Perk pill popper. Put the best bottles on pills. I'm on that joint. Red.
Okay, that's what it was, y'all. We had to, even though we was turning volume up on the phone, we still had to turn the volume up on this speaker here. Okay, that is a huge difference, as you guys can see, man. I was about to say, like, nah, fam, this is going back. This definitely ain't worth the price of admission. Let's try another song, because some people probably don't want to listen to that. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and play my boy, the story of OJ, or kill Jay-Z. Let's see which one gonna hit more. Let's see, hold on.
Find it so hard.
I apologize.
Okay, that's better. We're gonna do one more. Dave V's Paranoia. We're gonna see if the Jurassic Park test help because it's bass heavy.
Paranoia in the next week. Don't talk unless you got the check on me. I don't see nobody ahead of me. Far as we jump out the back of them.
All right, so does it pass the Jurassic Park test? No, it does not pass the Jurassic Park test, but is it worth $13 a month for a year? I'm gonna say that's up to you. I say yeah, on just the fact like in your bedroom, that's good enough for your bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Or even if you know what I'm saying, you outside. Actually, let's test it one more again. Now that we know we have to turn it up a little bit more without it being plugged up. You know what I'm saying? The straight Bluetooth. Let's see if it still got that same loudness effect, so we can just kind of know for sure. So hold on, one more test.
They don't care if they fall, we crash on them. Take a look at my bitch, ain't a battle one. Paranoia in the bathroom. I don't want nobody next to me. Don't talk unless you got a check for me. I don't see nobody ahead of me. Far as we jump out the back of them.
Okay, so without it being plugged up, there's like a subtle difference, like when it going to Bluetooth and without the AC plug being into it. There's a subtle difference. Nothing huge, but you do hear a difference. Would I still recommend this speaker for $13 a month? Yeah, I would. I would. I think it's still worth it. Again, depending on what you're doing, especially if you have multiple of these. Like maybe you have one in your bedroom, then you got one in your living room, then your dining room. Like if you want to have it like lit like that, then yeah. Like if you got multiple of these, yes, definitely go ahead. If you plan on getting multiple of them, go ahead and pick this thing up. But like I guess on a scale of 1 to 10, is it heat rock? I can't give it a heat rock label. Can't give it that stamp of approval. But you know, if you just kind of want like a decent speaker, you're not trying to pay a lot of money up front, I would say yeah. You know what I mean? I would definitely say yeah. So it's your boy ShawnBNice, man. I'm out. I hope this kind of like, you know, because if y'all like me, if y'all going to Sprint a lot, if you guys do have Sprint, if you go into like any kind of like sound place a lot, because you know, for example, with Sprint, man, they always trying to throw you the speaker, man. Like it's almost like they trying to give it away like government cheese, man. Like every time you go to Sprint, they always trying to get you to get the speaker. And I was like, you know what? Fine. I finally check it out. It's on sale. Why not? And I kind of did this for y'all, man, to see if y'all will, you know, see if it's kind of worth y'all money. Again, for $13 a month, guess, you know, can't really go wrong. Is it heat rock? No, but it's good. On a scale of 9, like a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably give like an 8, maybe a 9, but it's definitely not a 10. Or maybe I need to go ahead and check out more portable speakers. It could be that too. Other than that, man, I got more gaming tests coming out with the Note 8. We're gonna do the different gaming modes, like as far as like screen displays. We're gonna do 2K, 1080p, and 720p to see if it make a difference with frame rates or not, or gaming performance entirely. Other than that, man, it's your boy ShawnBNice, man. Thank y'all for watching. Happy New Year, and I'm out. Deuces.